Spartan Hair Shampoo review, legit or scam? Spartan Hair Shampoo claims to help with hair growth, strengthen hair, and improve scalp health. But is it legit or just another scam? Let's break it down. So what is it? Spartan Hair Shampoo is a hair care product that's marketed to help people with hair loss or thinning hair. It contains natural ingredients like biotin and essential oils, and it's free of harsh chemicals like sulfates and parabens. The shampoo promises to promote hair growth and improve scalp health, making hair stronger and healthier. Here are some pros. Hair growth claims is designed to stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. Natural ingredients is gentle with no harsh chemicals, which is good for people with sensitive scalps. Scalp health. The ingredients help soothe the scalp, reducing dryness and irritation. Convenient. It's safe for daily use and can be easily added to your regular routine. And as for the cons, effectiveness varies. Not everyone sees results. It works for some, but others see little to no improvement. It takes time, hair growth is slow, so you might not notice changes for weeks or even months. Price. It's more expensive than regular shampoos, which might not be worth it if you don't see results. And mixed reviews. Some people love it, but others feel it doesn't live up to the hype. As for the customer feedback, customer reviews are mixed. Some users report thicker, healthier hair, while others say it didn't make much of a difference even after several weeks of use. So is it legit or a scam? Spartan Hair Shampoo appears to be a legit product, but it's not a miracle solution. It works for some people, but not for everyone. If you're looking for an affordable hair product, it's worth trying. Just keep in mind that results can vary. In conclusion, Spartan Hair Shampoo isn't a scam, but its effectiveness isn't guaranteed. It may help with hair and scalp health, but if you're expecting fast or dramatic results, it might not be the solution you're looking for. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.